So guys, welcome back to our day 2 of learning C programming using only the Linux terminal. On our day 1, we wrote our first program, hello.c, and we created an executable file, hello. Real quick, I want to appreciate, thank you so much, USA.Manhattan support. So let's get to business. So the first business that we have today is to create our first folder for today. So as you can see, we are in day 001. We need to create another folder. So first of all, we need to copy the programs that we wrote earlier. CP, which means copy, day 001. And in that day 001, we want to copy the executable hello. We also want to copy the hello.c file. And we want to copy it to day 002. Kids, let's head over to day 002. Now you see we have these two files that were in day 1, the GUI version. See day 2, now we have both files. Only 6 lines of code. But somehow these 6 lines eventually make billions of transistors inside my CPU to do something. How? That's what I want us to discover one by one. So first of all, let's know the architecture of the computer I am using. So we will use this command lscpu, and this gives us a lot of information. 8664, so it's 32-bit, 64-bit, 64. Does my GCC know it? The compiler for this program. So let's check the GCC version. GCC version. So after this, let's check uname m. Our GCC understands that this architecture is the which is 32-bit, 64-bit. Now let's check file hello 64-bit. That it understands our architecture. Then let's create an assembly for the file that we created for our executable file. To do that, we use this command GCC. Now let's check it inside our theme. So theme hello.s. It converted this hello.c into hello.s. Hello.s is in assembly. So, and here it is. So this is how our file looks like. It converted our file hello.c into assembly. So let's exit this first. Let's exit theme again. Press escape, then shift and then colon, then Q, and then exclamation, then enter. So that's it for this video. So thanks so much for watching. I really enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our series. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Upload other random videos, but I'll put this into a playlist so you can follow along very well. So thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.